Sooke Pot Holes now, and I'm just admiring the view from up here, checking out the waterfall. Not as strong right now. I don't know why, but anyways, Christine, I just wanted to show you this because I miss you and I wish you were here with me. And yeah, I guess I will videotape the rest later. See ya. It's 2:05. I'm gonna probably ride my bike back. It's gonna be a long ride. I'm probably not gonna record anything because it was pretty annoying recording while I was riding my bike. But anyways, I got some rest, I ate some food, and I'm ready to go. Anyways, Christine, I love you and I miss you. This is the view, the last view. I was just chilling on that bench right there. Anyways, see ya. I just had to stop for this view. Check this out. Taking a little break. I'll check in later. I had to stop to see this view. Check this out. Still at Matheson Lake. I'll check in later. Got back from Sooke Pot Holes. It's 4:12. It took me like 2 hours and 10 minutes to get back. It was a little faster because I wasn't recording. So anyways, I'm gonna put the bike away and go home. See ya.